Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the charging protocol you need: USB power delivery, quick charge, or basic 5V/2A. Once done, choose 2024 AWG power conductors for low resistance and compatible connectors for the protocol. Make sure to work ESD safe and strip about 5-7 millimeters of insulation. Then tin each conductor with solder and apply a small amount of flux. Immediately position and secure connectors so you can solder without overheating sensitive pins or insulation during the next steps. You now join V-bus and ground with solid solder joints. Keep those power wires as short and as parallel as possible to reduce resistance and heat. For simple fast charge schemes, you may short data pins or set resistor dividers. However, for reliable multi-volt charging, use a small PD controller chip so the host negotiates voltage properly. Make sure to secure each joint with ferrules or braided shielding and slide heat shrink over the connection, shrinking it to maintain mechanical strength and prevent shorts before final. You finish by testing continuity and then applying a controlled load to confirm voltage and current meet specifications. Look for minimal voltage drop and correct PD negotiation. Once validated, reinforce strain relief with an outer heat shrink sleeve or epoxy so the cable survives bending. Make sure connectors are oriented correctly and pins insulated. If charging fails or voltage is wrong, check for cold solder joints, poor ground, or incorrect CC resistor values. Replace the PD controller or adjust resistor configuration to restore proper negotiation and safe fast charging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.